Your confidence isn't real. It's just a mask you wear to hide how terrified you are of being exposed. And the worst part? You've been wearing it so long, you've started to believe your own act. You call it confidence. I call it performance. Every time you talk louder in a group, just so people notice you. Every time you brag about what you bought, what you did, who you know. Every time you play it cool, instead of admitting you're nervous. You're not being confident. You're begging for approval. People aren't as dumb as you think. They see the cracks. They feel the desperation. You can fake a smile, but you can't fake self-respect. Fake confidence is nothing but fear wearing a leather jacket. You're scared of looking weak. You're scared of not being enough. You're scared of them seeing the real you because you think the real you isn't worth seeing. That's why you're obsessed with image. That's why your confidence only shows up when you're winning or when you're surrounded by people who won't challenge you. The second life punches you in the face, your confidence evaporates. You avoid situations where you might fail. You only take risks where the odds are stacked in your favor. You don't put yourself in rooms where you're the dumbest, weakest, least experienced person. Why? Because your fake confidence can't survive there. Here's the irony. You think avoiding discomfort is protecting you. It's actually killing you. Slowly. Every time you avoid something scary, you train your brain to be weaker. Every time you skip the hard conversation, or don't raise your hand, or turn down an opportunity, you're not playing it smart. You're playing it safe. And safe is where dreams go to rot. Let's be real. Most of your confidence comes from other people's reactions. You post a picture. If it gets likes, you feel good. If it doesn't, you feel like crap. You tell a story. If people laugh, you feel interesting. If they don't, you feel invisible. That's not confidence. That's emotional slavery. You've handed the keys to your self-worth to strangers, and you're hoping they don't drive it off a cliff. Real confidence is quiet. It's built in the dark when nobody's watching. It comes from doing things you don't want to do, from failing and getting back up, from proving to yourself, not others, that you can handle more than you thought. It's walking into a room and not needing to dominate the conversation. It's wearing what you want, not what's impressive. It's saying, I don't know without shame. Real confidence isn't loud. It's unshakable. Here's the mindset shift. Stop trying to look confident. Start doing things that make you confident. Your mask will crack the moment you push yourself into real discomfort. Go do the thing you've been avoiding, the one that scares the hell out of you. Speak when your voice shakes. Ask for the raise. Start the business. Walk into the gym even if you think everyone's watching. Because confidence is built in reps, in scars, in the messy, ugly, awkward moments you keep dodging. Here's your final slap of truth. You can keep pretending. Keep being the loudest person in the room while secretly praying nobody calls you out. Or you can get real. Do something today that might make you fail. Might make you sweat. Might make you feel like a fraud. Because the day you stop performing is the day you start becoming.